Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Excel links. We'll start by understanding what Excel links are and why they are incredibly useful for managing your data. These powerful tools allow you to connect information seamlessly, whether it's within the same workbook, to another Excel file, or even to a web page. This integration saves you significant time and effort, making your spreadsheets much more dynamic and user-friendly. Now, let's dive into linking within your current Excel workbook. You can easily create a hyperlink to another sheet or even a specific cell range. Simply select the cell or object you want to link, then choose Hyperlink from the Insert tab. Select Place in this document and pick your desired sheet or named range. This method is fantastic for building interactive dashboards or navigating large, multi-sheet workbooks with ease. Next, we'll explore linking to external Excel workbooks. This is incredibly useful when you need to pull data from a different file without copying it over. You can create a link by simply typing an equals sign, then navigating to the external file and selecting the desired cell. Excel will automatically generate the link, which might look something like equals workbook name. XLSX Sheet 1, A1. Remember to save both files for the link to function correctly. Finally, let's look at linking to external files and web pages. Excel allows you to create hyperlinks to almost any file type, like a PDF document or a Word file, and even directly to a website or an email address. Just select your cell, go to the Insert tab, choose Hyperlink, and then select Existing File or Web Page. You can easily edit or remove these links later through the same dialog box, giving you full control over your linked content.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.